Are they multiple species? What was their size? And how many are usually on a crab?
They're typically the multiple species. People are familiar with the grays, the Nordics. People are talking about reptilians and insectoids. It's not that they're reptilian or insectoid, it's that they resemble to the recipient of reptile or insect type humanoid, because they have a head and 4 limbs and torso.
So large, small?
Human size, human scale.
And are there how many are accrued?
Well, the grays I'm familiar with from investigating the crash at Corona, which is misnamed the crash at Roswell. It's not the crash at Roswell, it's the crash at Corona in Mexico. Those were grays, those were 4 foot tall. And the rigs are typically human size, probably, I've heard 5, 6 feet tall. And same with the people who mislabel reptilian and insectoid, they're roughly that height too. I haven't heard anything about anything 7 or 8 feet, 9 feet tall. Of that nature.
Well, for people who don't know, that was a nuclear test, quote-unquote test, in space. And we learned quite a lot from that test. It was the main test where we really were able to study and learn about EMP. This was also happening during, oddly enough, the Cuban Missile Crisis.
That's right, 1962.
So when the whole world was focused on the Cuban Missile Crisis, something else was going on. And that something else may have brought something down. And that something that brought down we may have learned a lot about that, about EMP specifically, and its ability to catch things that are hiding, if that makes sense.
Yes, it does. And that's...
Now, what we found in Starfish Prime was different than what we found in Roswell, okay? But equally as important, but a whole nother story all in itself, if that makes sense. And that's all I want to say.
Okay, right now. Okay.
Because there was a small group of people on both sides that were trying to do exactly what they did, which was fly-swat some bugs out of the sky.